In dozens of cities around the world, including Chicago, I can use Google Maps to plan my trip using public transportation. First, I'm going to zoom in on the map to see if there are any transit stops near the airport. I can click on the icon to see more information about the stop. Now to get across town, driving directions are great, but every time I can, I like to use public transportation. By clicking on the Take Public Transportation link, I can see step-by-step transit directions for my entire trip. The Options tab lets me set my departure or arrival time and the date of the trip. Now I can choose the route I like best and make sure that I show up on time. I can click on the map to see more information about each step of my trip. Plus, I can use Street View to see my stop and where I'm going once I get off the bus. Here I am, and right on time. Thanks to Google Maps, using public transportation to get to Wrigley Field is easier than ever.